Hey Evan.
Hey, it's gone.
Hey Evan, how's your hot
Where
chocolate?
did it go? Huh? I think it's good.
Yeah.
I
Where's
think
your
it's good.
Where's your cinnamon
I
bun,
know
Evan?
it. His cinnamon bun is his hot chocolate. You
Oh
know?
my goodness.
Peanut butter bunny. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh. Okay,
Marshmallows.
okay, hold on, Evan. Let's hear about the peanut butter bunny.
Peanut butter bunny, when in our cups, he's so small now. He pulls down everything.
He pulls down everything. And what else does the peanut butter bunny do?
If it comes in your house, he will pull something down.
Uh huh. And does it what does the peanut butter look like? What does peanut butter bunny look like?
He has ugly ears.
Ugly ears?
Not ugly, everything down there.
Yeah. What about what does the peanut butter bunny eat?
People and all sorts of things. He eats everything he finds.
Oh. Are you scared of the peanut butter bunny, Evan?
Yes. Yes.
Evan, are you scared of the peanut butter bunny? No?
I'm brave of him.
Okay. Aisha, are you scared of the peanut butter bunny?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cassie, are you scared of the peanut butter bunny?
Really scared.
You're really scared.
Me too, I'm really scared.
Oh, boy. All right. You're a brave boy, Evan.
Then he will eat your camera too.
He'll eat the camera?
Yeah. Hide your camera! Hide your camera!
Is the peanut butter bunny coming?
No. Something like that. Well, when it's Christmas and Easter and somebody's birthdays and
When you eat peanut butter?
Halloween and Chinese Day and all sorts of special days, he only comes on special days in mornings. He only comes at the nighttime. Well, if it's a special day, if it's joy, if it's a special day, if it's a special day, he only comes.
Oh, I see. Okay,
He'll
cool.
come in the morning, only if it's a special day.
I see.
Like today. It's not a
Okay,
special
Evan, what about
Yeah.
the peanut butter bunny's airplane? What about it?
It's ugly everywhere. Ugly wings, ugly nose,
The airplane's ugly?
and the airplane has feet
Oh, is that
and arms,
Oh, is that how
and a big nose and eyes and a mouth.
And what's the airplane made out of?
Cardboard.
Cobwebs?
Cardboard.
Cardboard, not peanut butter?
No. That's too squishy. I mean, it's made out of carrots. It's made out of peanuts.
Oh, peanuts! Okay, everyone go, bah!
Bah! Bah!
Let's see it again. Pulls down everything. And what else is a peanut butter bunny?
Chinese. How did I bring that one up?
We always forget to celebrate Chinese Day.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of that?
That's weird.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Do you recognize yourselves?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you still scared of the peanut butter bunny?
No.
We've
I'm
told.
brave of them.
You're brave of him. We've told that story a lot of times, eh?
Yeah.
I think you guys should write a book about the peanut butter bunny.
Better hide your camera, it's gonna eat it.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. No, totally. Let's see. Good. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Do you remember Lac Brochet?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you remember best about Lac Brochet?
Canute.
Canute, yeah. Anything else? Yeah.
And caribou.
And what? Caribou?
Salted caribou.
Brittle?
Dried salted caribou. Really good. And the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And our basement. And the bed mattress room.
The room full of
With the-
mattresses, yeah.
Like 1,000 mattresses. No.
It's funny, eh?
Yeah.
Alright. You can go play baseball, Evan?